In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile name in Microsoft Teams. This is a handy skill to have, whether you need to update your information due to a name change or if you simply want a different display name for professional or personal reasons. Let's go through the steps together to make sure it's a smooth and easy process. First, you'll need to open the Microsoft Teams application. If you're using a desktop or laptop, you can do this by clicking on the Microsoft Teams icon, typically found on your desktop or in your Start menu. For mobile users, locate and tap on the app icon from your home screen or app drawer. Once you have the app open, make sure you are logged in to the correct account where you wish to change the profile name. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Teams interface. Here, you'll likely see either your profile picture or your initials, depending on whether or not you've already set a photo. Go ahead and click on this area. This action will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. Once you have the drop-down menu open, search for an option that says Edit Name or Edit Profile. Sometimes this option might be found within Settings, so if it's not immediately visible, go to the Settings menu, then click on General and navigate to Profile. In this section, you're looking for any indicators of an edit function, often represented by a small pencil icon next to your name. If the Edit option is available, click that pencil icon. This will bring up fields where you can enter your preferred first and last name. Take a moment to ensure that your new name is correct and exactly how you want it to appear to your colleagues and contacts. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, the final step is to click Save. It's crucial to hit that Save button to ensure that all your updates are secure and your new profile name is reflected across the platform. And there you have it. Changing your profile name in Microsoft Teams is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can ensure your profile is up to date and accurately represents you. Whether it's for maintaining consistency across professional meetings or adding a touch of personalization, managing your profile name is a useful capability within Teams. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials if you want to harness more features of Microsoft Teams to enhance your digital collaboration experience.